locked out of your Wix account and can't remember the email you used? Don't panic, because this video will show you how to recover your account even if your email address is a distant memory. First, head over to the Wix website and attempt to log in. Underneath the email and password fields, you'll find a forgot password link. Click it. If you associated a phone number with your account, you might see an option to recover it via SMS. If that's the case, go for it. Otherwise, we'll move to the next step. If you can't recall your email and don't have a phone number associated with the account, you'll need to contact Wix Support directly. Navigate to the Wix Help Center. Look for the Contact Us section, usually found at the bottom of the Help Center page. You might need to search for it. Click on it to initiate contact with Wix Support. When contacting support, explain that you've forgotten the email associated with your account. Be prepared to provide as much identifying information as possible to prove ownership. This includes your name, the website URL, the date you created the account if you remember, and any transaction IDs from Wix purchases. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for Wix to verify you as the rightful owner. Be patient, the verification process might take some time. Once Wix verifies your ownership, they'll guide you through the process of regaining access, which usually involves setting up a new email or recovery method. Follow their instructions carefully. And that's it, you're back in control of your Wix account. Even without remembering your original email, don't forget to update your account information with a current email address and phone number for easier recovery in the future.